Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video we'll be talking about Laravel. We will go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about it, what you can expect, what is it good for, so let's kick it in. So Laravel is an open source PHP framework which is robust and easy to understand. It follows a model view controller design pattern. Laravel uses the existing components of different frameworks, which helps in creating a web application. The web application designed is more structured and pragmatic. Laravel offers a rich set of functionalities, which incorporates the basic features of PHP frameworks in CodeIgniter, E, and other programming languages like Ruby on Rails. Laravel has a very rich set of features, which will boost the speed of web development. If you're familiar with core PHP and advanced PHP, Laravel will make your task easier. It saves a lot of time if you are planning to develop a website from scratch. Moreover, a website built in Laravel is secure and prevents several web attacks. So, what are the advantages? Well, Laravel offers you the following advantages. The web application becomes more scalable, owing to the Laravel framework. Its considerable time is saved in designing the web application, since Laravel reuses the components from other framework in developing web application, and it includes namespaces and interfaces. This helps to organize and manage resources. Composer is also a tool in Laravel which includes all the dependencies and libraries. It allows a user to create a project with respect to the mentioned framework, for example those used in Laravel installation. Third-party libraries can be installed easily with help of this Composer tool. All the dependencies are noted in Composer file, which is placed in the source folder. As you can see in the ecosystem, Laravel is providing you with Vapor, which is a serverless platform, Forge as server management, Envoyer, Horizon, Nova Eco, and many more. You can join them and you can join a lot of a big community to work in, share your experiences, and overall it's a very useful program to work in. When we, for example, go into Vapor, you can learn a lot of, you can sign up, you can check the documentations and start away. I pretty much really dig in this website, which is very easy to read, and I can't wait to make guys more videos about Laravel as it is. For this starter, thanks for watching guys. If you have any kind of questions, please leave them underneath this video. I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.